Good morning everyone. We're out and about again today and we are going to do a bit of fishing. Here we go.
Fishing, 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 fishing. Here, there's one. There they are. Right, let's bring them over here. Come on fishies. Come on fishies.
Susie's doing a bit of fishing.
Getting wet. Oh, one just nibbled my belly.
I saw somebody yesterday doing this and the fish just came from all over. Right, well, obviously we're in the water. This is like the little bay area, which is just they stowed around it so you don't get the big waves. Well, not really get any big waves, but yeah, and it makes a lovely little pool, and the water's gorgeous and warm. What time is it this morning?
About 9:30ish.
Yeah, 9:30 in the morning. It's the sky's full of cloud, and we're expecting rain later. Not. But, there you are. So,
You're close enough to see them.
yeah, I am. Yeah. Just moving a bit closer.
Quite big fish here.
Yeah. They are, aren't they?
Yeah. I'll put some over near you.
I don't think you'd need much a rod and line to catch many fish around here, do you?
Just grab one.
Just, yeah, take one out.
It's so funny when they go up against your belly though.
So there you go.
I'm coming to the end of the bread.
Yeah.
Have to do the last little bit. Struggling.
I think we're going to be spending a lot of money on bread.
I think we will.
Ooh, nearly fell over.
Oh yeah, you got to the wire.
Yeah.
That's it, we've run out of bread this morning.
And they're all gone.
We'll be back.
They're actually circling round Sue. It's like a look.
Shall I nibble?
Yeah. All gone. That's it.
Yeah, that's
no
it,
more
sorry.
bread. We're off.
We'll be back.
You know, all the fishes are going au revoir.
Au revoir. A bientôt.
So there you go. As you can see behind us, the waves are crashing over the rocks. But so it makes this little bit where we stood very calm, and the water's beautifully warm. Yeah. Look.
Yeah, as soon as you stop feeding them, it's like round and round a bit, and then go.
Right. So, just a little video of feeding the fish this morning. So, hope you've enjoyed. If you do like what you've seen, oh, that's a big wave. If you like and subscribe, it just helps us out. Thanks very much. Bye.